days we are going to learn about this window, how to use window, what are the features of window. Okay, so this is this down at the bottom of the screen. You can see this is the called taskbar. This is the taskbar. Start button is here. On this taskbar right hand side you can see the time and date, and this icons coming here. We can open directly this apps clicking on that. Okay, this start button, see I have clicked there. This Outlook start button is here. Inside you can see whatever the softwares you can use there. On the deck, this screen is coming after pressing the power button of CPU. The processing is going on. It is called booting. After this completing the processing of booting, you will get this screen. This screen is called desktop. On this screen you can see many icons are there, like this is icon of Zoom, Word, Excel, my computer, this icon of computer. Okay, some folders are also here. This is here, look like DDDPS 2000. This is the folder. Okay, text file, these are the folder. If you want, you can sort it by like name by size. Now the icon says sorting. Sorting is arranging in a small. Here are the 4 way: name, size, type, or date. By date you have modified this. You can arrange your icons. Okay. View help us in what form you want to see the icons: large, small, or medium. Okay. Auto arrange icons कितने खुद अरेंज हो जाएंगे. Show desktop icons. Now I have disabled. I click on this, desktop icon will come. Okay. So this is the view feature. Now sort by, you know that. Refresh, we are refreshing our computer by clicking on that. Shortcut key for refresh is F5. Now come to the new. Rest of the options we will see later. Now new folder. Now this folder is ready. I write my name on this, Manipur. Now see what is the use of folder, because we have learned about in theory na file and folder. So now this is the folder. What is the file? Now I am creating one file. Click on MS Word, blank document. Now I have typed something here. I want to increase the size. See, and I want to save it. File, save, browse. When you come to the browse, here you have to give your folder location. My folder is on desktop, and in desktop, what is the folder name? Marita. Double click on it, and I will save my file by the name 123. Save. See now, this file is saved inside my folder. One file is there. So folder is like that, and store the files. Okay. So this option is clear to you. Now one more option, the computer. So what is this PC icon? In your book it is called like PC icon. What is this? When you click on this, you can see the information regarding your system. What is hard disk drives. If you attach the pen drive to pen drive, will show there. Yes. DVD drive, CD drive, if you attach, it will show that. So right now I am having in my drive 2 local drives, C and D. Okay. Downloads, whatever desktop, this is the desktop you have seen. Now these all icons come in that window. Download, whatever you download from the net, it will come in there. Okay. Libraries, like music, pictures, video we are keeping in the documents. What MS Word, MS Paint, these documents are here. In that form you can see what the things are that what type of files are there in your system. You can go to the PC icon, you can see. Now see, right click on my computer, properties. You can go to the properties of computer. See what hardware devices are there in our system. Like processor, processor is there, RAM, like here 4 GB RAM is there, okay, and 3.18 GB अनयूज नहीं हुआ है. 32 बिट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है. विंडोज़ है हमारे पास, सिस्टम डेल का है. विंडोज 7 प्रोफेशनल है इस पीसी में, विंडोज 10 नहीं है. सो दैट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन वी कैन सी हियर. ओके, so now I think it's clear to you how to make folder, how to save file in folder, and what is desktop, what is taskbar, what is this computer icon, PC icon, and how to explore it. Okay, so revise it, make your own file in MS Word and saving it in your folder, and take care of yourself. Thank you.